Volare Arctic Breeze. Ito ang bibigyan natin ng first impression sa video ito. Alright, so si Volare Arctic Breeze, nabili natin siya sa marketplace and the usual price that it goes for is around 1,200 pesos. Now, si Arctic Breeze is a dupe of your LV Imagination. Alright, now in terms of presentation, grabe, ang ganda talaga ng mga box. For me mga box ni Volare or Volair. Okay. Though manipis lang siya, but presentation wise ang ganda. Very classy, very minimalistic. I mean, very clean, very clean yung design niya. So may simple branding lang sa harapan, tapos may Volair branding sa ilalim, tapos may details sa likod, and as well as may dito, may barcode sa ilalim and warning or some instructions or warning sa ilalim. Alright, now let's go ahead and open the box. Now, since I don't have experience and I don't own Imagination, alright, so we'll just go through the notes and main accords sa ating Fragrantica website. Now, as per Fragrantica, ang ating main accords is amber, woody, warm spicy, citrus, fresh spicy, cinnamon, musky, and fresh. Right. Now, in terms of the notes, we have here citron, Sicilian orange, bergamot, Ceylon cinnamon, Nigerian ginger, Tunisian neroli, and base notes of ambroxan, guaiac wood, olibanum, and Chinese black tea. Alright, so yan. Bottle pa lang ni Volair Arctic Breeze, mapapamangha ka na. Isipin mo, ginaya niya ang mismong bote ni Imagination, and I think this is just thicker versus the original bottle na ginagaya niya. Right now, again, I don't know how they did this, but for 1,200 pesos, meron ka ng magnetic cap. So, medyo loose or madali lang siya matanggal. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and do a few sprays on our wrist. Okay, tama lang yung volume, tama yung kalabas ng kanyang spray, ang atomizer niya. Okay, and okay. Grabe. Ang fresh ng amoy. Citrus kagad. Yung Sicilian orange tsaka yung bergamot. Yun yung bubungad sa'yo. Tapos yung black tea. Yun yung naamoy ko. Medyo may konting ambroxan. Yun yung opening niya. Okay. Ayan. So, ang ganda. Ang ganda niyang combination niya. Hindi siya ganun ka-citrusy. Alright. Hindi ganun kalakas yung pagka-citrus niya. Tama-tama lang. I think naghalo yung black tea at saka yung kanyang ambroxan and yung Sicilian orange. Okay, mostly yun yung naamoy mo. Tapos yung kanyang bergamot, hindi siya ganun kaasim yung amoy. Okay, ayan, ganda ng opening nito ni Arctic Breeze. Now, masasabi ko lang dito, just based on the opening, worth it. Very much worth it na yung 1,200 pesos na gagastusin mo. For me, if you're gonna get itong Volair perfume. Okay, so far so good. Yung Volair, I think I still have one more bottle here that I haven't been able to review. So sa susunod na mga videos natin, you should be able to give a first impression on that other bottle that I have. Okay? So yan na muna ang ating first impressions kay Arctic Breeze. We'll go ahead and wear this perfume sa office, and then I'll let you know kung gaano ba kaganda yung kanyang performance in terms of projection and sillage and as well as longevity. Okay? So if you have any questions regarding this perfume or any of the other perfumes that I have already reviewed or did the first impression on, please leave a comment down below. Okay? And I'll get back to you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!